Right here is a Waffle House, but over there is a Waffle House too. So, real quick before this video starts, first of all, I want to say sorry that I look like this right now, but I realized that in the first movement vlog, I had never, fully explained how me and Paul are moving, but it's only me moving right now. Paul is in the military, so he is still in his job training. Then he's going to go to airborne school. Then he's going to be stationed in North Carolina, and he's going to come move in. So, yeah, we do both live there, but right now I am doing the moving because he's in the military, so he's unable to. So, sorry about any confusion. So, I am in Walmart. Mom, I'm trying to vlog. Are you screaming? So, right now we are in Walmart. We went to breakfast, got some IHOP, and now we're in Walmart. And so, Mom, tell them how, my mom thinks I'm rich. And so, she's telling me to buy absolutely everything. She's like, we have to get this, we have to get that. You have to get liners for the cabinets. We want to do like gray and white. We want to keep it really, really light. And I'm gonna buy you that. Oh, thank you. I don't do that out. So we have a bunch of. Move your hand into my shop. We have a bunch of stuff. We have stuff for the bedroom, kitchen, dining room, every single room. Okay. I feel like this cart is about to be like $200. Yeah, it's up here. I feel like this cart is about to be like $200. Moving is expensive. It's like what I'm supposed to do about all this money. It's funny because in Maryland, like, the prices are cheaper for most things, but then like you can't get a light bulb for less than $10 in North Carolina. Like, what the heck is that about? Why are light bulbs $10? It's so weird. And like everything else is cheaper in Maryland, and then like here, like Uno cards are like $8. Like, my mom said it's because there's nothing to do here, so they sell them for a lot of money. I have the absolute worst cramps in the world. My camera's dusty. I have the worst cramps in the world. I need to lay down. I've been productive enough. After I take a little 10 to 15 hour nap, I'm going to show you guys the work I just put in. So, I'm going to the mall for the first time. I don't know anything about the area, except for the fact that it's country. So, I'm gonna go Thanks for the neighborhood. I also know that apparently I can't properly lock my door. That's what happens because I'm slow. Is that offensive to say? Because, like, slow isn't like a... Never mind. If I'm offending anyone, I'm sorry.
The information society. That's a difficult...
I got it. Watch out. Come on, get my hand. Is Belk like a Macy's or a JCPenney or something? You never heard of it? Me either. This is dangerous. I like to shop. Look how cute, Mom.
Look at the price. But
How much? $125. That's not bad.
I mean, you have shoes just like that.
Look at this.
Not anymore.
This is really cute, for real.
That is cute. It's so small.
It's only $59. You guys, I love Michael Kors purses above any other brand like of purses. I don't know why, I just do. So it hurts to be just like walking past it. These are hot. Look at this. This is Jessica Simpson. These are really cute. It's $79. Mom, look at this. Mom, mira.
I saw those.
Wait, hold on. Are these the boots I think they are? Does anyone know what boots I'm talking about? No, it's not. It looks like them though. Yeah. Demon mommy, why are you so hard? She walks so fast. They're playing Tootsie Roll in New York and there's a party over there. It's so country here. They're not giving out cars, they're giving out lawnmowers. So, if I was saying what was cute, but it wasn't that cute. Oh, my skin looks so bad.
Yeah. All you self-promoters are jank.
Hey guys, I am at Ruby Tuesdays and we are going to be doing a little ASMR. A little ASMR sesh.
They're not gonna come.
Elmo.
I'm gonna catch you catch Elmo. Look, he running. He running.
You're gonna hurt him. Can you just throw Elmo up the stairs?
It doesn't matter. So I'm gonna show you guys what we got. These are 2 bath towels. I got washcloths. I got shower liners. This is a rug for upstairs. Decorative hand towels. And then I got the regular shower curtain. It's really cute too, look. I got 40 hangers to start off, but I know we're gonna need more. Stuff for the bathroom, Swiffer, broom, toilet tissue, you know, Windex, other cleaning supplies. I went ahead and mopped my whole floor. We got a set of pots and pans, like my first set of pot and pans. Towels were in here, oven mitts. Got cups, silverware, plates, bowls, little plates. Over here, we just have salt and pepper because I'm not gonna be cooking anything like heavy duty. And then I have sponges and gloves for cleaning in here. I have trash bags and like liners, and then like other cleaning supplies and stuff in there. Just some chips and snacks over here. Cleaning supplies, light bulbs, and a sponge. That's the sponge that I use when I wipe down the counter, so I kept it over there so that I can keep it separate because, you know, nobody wants the sponge that they use in the dishes to touch the counter or the bathroom, and you don't want to mix those sponges up. So, yeah. So, yeah, I went ahead and cleaned this. Gonna take the trash out. And then, why is this dripping? My water bill, come on. And then clean the bathroom. I just got a little navy blue rug in here. I want to get, it's so soft, oh my god. I want to get a little, like a navy blue hand towels to go in here too. I will need to take this upstairs with me because I have to clean upstairs bathroom. And then I'm gonna start to unpack everything that belongs to me. We got a rug. My mom bought us a rug for the bedroom. It's like our first piece of bedroom furniture. My mom bought it for us. It's so cute. So yeah, I have work to do. Hey guys, I forgot to end the vlog yesterday, so I'm gonna go ahead and end it here. I'm back home in Maryland, my parents' house, because I'm finishing up my last couple days of work here in Maryland before I permanently relocate to my home in North Carolina. So yeah, thank you guys for watching the second move-in vlog, and I'll see you guys in the next video / move-in vlog.
Yeah. All you self-promoters are janky. We established like the Yankees. This whole fucking game thankless. We moving militant, but somehow you the one tanking. No limit to where I could take it. And you know me as a crisp bottle sender, check picker upper. I thought we looked out for one another. Saw us all as brothers in a struggle, too blessed to be humble.